Today I got three players to talk about. First, we'll talk about this guy. This guy is Ethan Chaslet, an attacking midfielder. Also, we'll talk about this guy. So this guy is Lebo Piri. He's a DM playing in France. And also, we'll talk about this guy. This guy is Simon van Duvipon, all that. Simon van. So let's don't waste time. Let's just get straight into the video to get. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakosi Stand Podcast. This is where uzithola zishisa be. So guys, I've got some updates for you. Transfers ngapha nangapha kuyafika abafethu, ama-done deal, ama-pending deals. So make sure you are tuned into this channel, subscribe and comment, also like the video, and you can also join my channel by clicking the join button so you can become a member just to support my channel. So let's talk about the done deal. The guy is a done deal already. So the guy is from South Africa, of course, but he's based in UK. He's been playing there for a long time. So the name is 18 Chislets or Chislets, I don't know, but it's 18. Nangu. I'll post him here. Nangu. So this guy has joined Chiefs for a 2-year deal contract. He's 26 years old, attacking midfielder from Port Vale, a second-tier division club from England. So let's hope Mchisa he's good, very good. And also, what does that mean with Faisal Salum deal? The Faisal Salum deal is still there. We want Faisal Salum. Kaizer Chiefs want Faisal Salum no matter what. So this guy came as a free agent. So you know Kaizer Chiefs loves free agents. So he will be joining. He joined Kaizer Chiefs. He will be traveling with them to Netherlands. So it's a done deal. It's a done deal. That means we have more depth in the Kaizer Chiefs squad for next season. So the next guy, maybe you know him, is Lebogang Piri. He's a DM playing in France for Paris FC. He's 30 years old. Also, he's a free agent and he's linked with Kaizer Chiefs. You know what Kaizer Chiefs a scout Tera Maliwa is doing? He's looking for South African players based in the overseas places like these players I'm mentioning now. We are Kumbolosi, we have Thabo Cele, we have all. Now we want these players who are also based in other countries, but they are from South Africa. Do you guys think that's a smart move for Kaizer Chiefs scouts? The idea they came with Tera Maliwa knew that Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have huge salaries for players, so he decided to look for players who are South African but based in other countries. So tell me, what do you think about this this strategy Kaizer Chiefs is using to get all these players? So Lebo Piri is a DM from Paris FC. He's 30 years old. He hasn't signed for Kaizer Chiefs. He's linked with Kaizer Chiefs. They are just rumors. So let's see what happens in the next coming days with him. Also, the other guy who have been linked with since January or February or so, Simon van What. Simon uzolibhala la igama lakhe na uzoyifundela. Simon van dot, 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 yeah. He's a 23 years old striker. Club yakhe Vitesse from Ed Davies second league. So he is another striker who is linked with Kaizer Chiefs, and he's from South Africa, but he's playing overseas in Netherlands. So let's see what's happened about him. Tell me, what do you think about these players that have mentioned? Eden Cheslet, a midfielder, attacking midfielder, 26 years old, playing in Port Vale, in England. Lebo Piri, defensive midfielder, playing in Paris FC, 30 years old, in France. Simon Van, 23 years old, centre forward, playing in Edaves, second league, Vitesse club. So please make sure you comment down below. I'll come back with other news, done deals and pending deals. So make sure you stay tuned, because it's about to get hot this week, next week, next of next week. It's about to get seriously hot. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on another video. Danko.